Mediafire. Mediafire is easy to use and one of the best free cloud storage used for storing documents and photos online. The initial free storage that Mediafire provides is 10 GB, but their incredible features is that the free storage can be increased up to 50 GB. This cloud storage has many features that have made handling of files easier. Mediafire has made possible uploading multiple files at once from any browser, which is a unique feature and make it different from the others. Organizing files in the file manager of Mediafire have become easier. Searching for something that keep a perfect personal documents features. The Mediafire is here to ease your search and it helps the users in sending documents with a specialized and free on-time link which enables the recipients to share it further.